Unless you advertise your programs page, your 10 banner splash page, you will not make no money. Okay, so there's some work to do. This is where the hard work. Now that you've set everything up, you thought that may be a little bit of hard work, but once you set up your campaigns, once you set up your programs page, all you need to do then is to promote. Okay, now I'm going to give you a list of ideas of where you can promote your profitable niches to your programs, the things that you have added on your programs page. The first place that I want you to look is here. I want you to click on this and see if your sponsor is a member of any advertising programs where you could advertise your programs. Okay. Underneath this video, and let me click on step 3 because I've had to come out of there to show you that banner. There is a list of other programs that we have found to be really good for advertising affiliate programs. Now, you are under no obligation, as it says there, to join the programs below, but they're recommended for promoting your Buildabizonline affiliate links, okay, and any other links that you may choose to do. Now, it's entirely up to you whether you join these programs, but I'll show you how to join them. You click on here, where it says click here. When you've joined, say, Social Surf for You, then you can add your ID just there. By doing that, when you start promoting Buildabizonline and somebody joins underneath you, they will add their link in here, but they will be signing up under you. Now, I've told you before, okay, I'm going to show you again. If you click on this after adding your link, and you click on that and you'll see your sponsors affiliate link, don't worry about it because your downline will see yours. You're still seeing your sponsors, and that's how it should work. Okay. So all you need to do is, you don't have to, but you can join these programs. They've been proven. We don't mess about with things that don't work. They have worked for me, and that's all you need to do. You need to advertise, advertise, advertise. That is the key to making more money online. Okay, share it with a few friends and this, that, and the other, but you need to advertise to the general public, people that are not your friends and family. Okay, keep on advertising. Keep on doing it and doing it and doing it. Now, don't forget, it is a numbers game. Everything is a numbers game. You've got to keep on promoting. You can't just think, when I first started, I thought, right, I've got 100 credits. I'm going to add it to this. I'm bound to get at least 10 join me. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. And if your adverts aren't working, try changing the wording around. Try adding something else to tweak it, to make it stick out from the rest. Okay, now if you are promoting the same pages as everybody else, it may not work. And that's why we created a splash page builder, so you can build your own splash pages and not promote generic pages that everybody else is doing. Okay, you've also got an autoresponder where you can create your own capture pages. So advertising is the key. So join these below, but make sure that you click on this link to see if your sponsor is belonging to any other advertising program that is not mentioned below. Okay, my friends, and keep promoting. Keep on promoting.